When it comes to product assembly, it's important to have a fast, simple, and effective production. That's why we offer adhesive kitting options. Now let's talk about what adhesive kitting is and what benefits they offer. The kitting process in manufacturing includes building and supplying groups of products in one package to improve application and inventory. This is particularly relevant for assembling devices that require a group of products for one application. Kits offer better organization, pricing, and ease of application for various processes, such as masking or trim attachments. Manufacturing kits can be customized to fit specific project needs, allowing businesses to leverage multiple kits with slight variations. For example, a kit used to mask car parts or car dashboards might have a different design, with variations in shapes, colors, combinations, or additional parts. This customization can help simplify a single assembly line process. In other applications, manufacturers might use adhesive kits to attach rubber protective parts to a vehicle's edges. The four benefits we see from adding kitting to a manufacturing process are improved efficiency, which is consolidating multiple individual components into a single kit, making it quicker and easier to grab the next part during assembly, which significantly speeds up the process. Next is higher consistency / reduced errors. Kits help reduce errors by ensuring all necessary components are included and correctly used, leading to consistent product quality and performance. Third is kit customization. Customizing kits allows for efficient organization of components, reducing waste and ensuring the appropriate number of parts are available for each application. Lastly, inventory benefits. Kits provide a complete set of components that are easy to track and store and protect from dust and moisture, ensuring parts are readily available and reducing the risk of running out mid-project. Kitting makes sense if your application involves a process with multiple similar parts. It is an excellent option for saving time and money by streamlining the process and ensuring efficient and accurate application. If you're considering using assembly kits in your manufacturing process, you can reach out to Strouse for project consultation or visit our learning center where we have more information on manufacturing adhesive kits. Thanks for watching.